Hey, what's going on, guys? Just here at the shop. Just got finished buttoning stuff up on the SlagHammer. I had a few things I needed to take care of on it. Got new plugs in it. Got the shifting cable, or shifter cable, all straightened out now. And it's moving a lot better. So I think that's going to be good to go. Fixed a couple of the training leaks that were going on. Got new fluid back in her. Was getting ready to load this thing up and try to do a test and tune tonight, but the weather's been iffy the past couple days, and I've been keeping up with our local track to see if they're going to be open or not, because they're in a different area than we are. And up until about an hour ago, it looked like everything was going to be a go. Gates were going to open, and then got the message that they canceled it because it was still misting over there, even though it wasn't picking up on the radar. So much for doing test and tune tonight on the car. I was really want to go out with it and get another hit, or a few hits on it. And but I got one more Saturday I can try this, so we'll try for next Saturday. Hopefully the weather holds up. And like I said, I like to at least get another one in before I go at the end of the month. But Mother Nature is who she is. Misting a little bit here, so I think I'll just chill the rest of the weekend. But I gotta go to Atlanta tomorrow to pick up parts for this girl, so that'll be a road trip down there for tomorrow. Get that back, and like I said, hopefully wish for better weather next Saturday. But other than that, guys, y'all have a good one, be safe, and I'll see you down the road.